Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun winter video, I'll be showing you how to draw a cute polar bear fishing. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cute polar bear fishing, let's begin with our polar bear's head. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to make a nice big sad face shape for the top of the head. Then let's go ahead and make a nice little curve shape underneath here. Right inside of it, let's go ahead and make two circles right here, and we'll put one here, nice and far apart. Then we'll color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. So we'll just leave that little bit white towards the top. I'm gonna make a little oval shape right here that I'm gonna color in for the nose. Next, let's make a little curve here, and one here for the mouth. Right here, I'm going to make a partial circle for the ear, and we'll do that same thing here, a little partial circle. We'll just make a small one right inside of there for some fun detail. Now, starting right here, let's begin by making a line that's just gonna curve out, and I'm gonna bring this back for an arm. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to come down and kind of curve into here. We'll make another line that's just going to kind of curve around and then come to here for the leg. Now for our little fishing pole, let's just make a little line that's going to come up at an angle. We're going to make it come down and back here. We'll make a little bump here. Starting here, let's draw a little line. And we'll make another little bump right here. So it looks like our little cute polar bear is holding the fishing pole. We're gonna make a little bump for the body. And then we'll make another small bump right here. That'll be that other leg. We'll make a little bump here for the tail. Then right here, let's draw a little line down for the pole. We'll make a little curved shape like this, kind of like an oval. And then we'll make two little bumps on here for a little fish tail. Put a little dot for the fish eye, and then a couple little wiggles for some scales. Now let's have them kind of floating on a little block of ice. Let's begin by making kind of like a wiggly line right around here. It doesn't have to look just like mine. Then on all these bumps, let's just make a few lines that come down. So let's make a few little lines that come down here like this. We'll go right to there. Next, I'm going to connect this line. We'll connect this one to here. We'll connect this to here, and this right to there, just to give it a little bit of detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cute little polar bear doing some fishing. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.